Hello friends, today I'm going to create my second elegant Korean nails. You loved my first nail set in this theme, so here I'm dropping the second one. You can watch that video through the link I've given in the description. Today I'm getting my nail extensions with Polygel, so let's start the process of Polygel extensions. I also did polygel extensions in my last video because I have to finish this product. I want to explore more in polygels, so it's good that I use this on regular basis. All the products are in the description, check before they get sold out. One more thing that I always say to you that I don't hide my mistakes. I keep my nail journey transparent with my YouTube family. So it's a pure process without any filters. Beginners can learn from my mistakes and this makes me happy that my videos are informative for beginners especially. I do trendy nail arts and also creative designs which I create on my own. If you want to try any nail art which you like, then leave a comment with the theme name. I'll definitely see and would like to make video on that. Here in this process, I think I took the polygel in a big quantity and you can see I have to manage this quantity on this area. Trying to keep the shape I want, but I'm telling you this is going to be very thick. Smoothen up the surface with soft flat brush and I'm avoiding gel to put near the cuticle area. Let's take a look at it. This is feeling heavy. Cut the nail foam from the side and remove. This is good, almost perfect. Let's do other nails. When I removed this and I saw the redness on my cuticle area. I don't know why this happened, even I checked the process of creating this nail and no gel, nothing touched the skin. Don't know why this came. But anyways, moving to the next nail and I'm trying to avoid gel or even that sleep solution to touch on my skin. Last time this redness came on my ring finger. I think maybe it was the paper tape. Don't know guys, but I'll take care of this. These all are coming thick. I don't know how much time they will take to get in perfect shape. I need more muscle power to file this kind of thickness. First layer is done and now I have to cover the cuticle side area, so this is the second step to complete the extensions. You can make it in one go, but I don't want to get very close to my skin. It's better that I do this with patience. Spreading polygel with these silicone applicators is very easy. You can use brushes or this kind of flexible tools to make these shapes. These are thick already and now getting thicker. Polygel extensions are done now and let's do filing. I'll use hand filer only. The length is perfect and they all are equal already. Upper side is more thick and the side have extra thickness. I hope I get good and perfect shape. I don't know how much it will take. I applied a layer of matte top coat on all the nails to get the matte finish. Now let's start the nail art, but before that I will hide the smile line of my natural nails with paint gel. Sponges are perfect for this step. Today I'm going to use this adhesive gel which can work differently in different steps, like it can be nail extensions glue or we can create nail extensions with this, and it can be used to stick the nail charms. I'm feeling like these stones are bigger as compared to my nails. I already made the nails thicker and I think I can't keep these for a week. Let's seal everything in and make sure you don't cover any blingy stones with any gel layer. This is the final look, luxurious elegant Korean nails. Hope you like my videos. Subscribe to my channel for nail trends. See you again. Bye.